What is template design pattern? So when we start a new Word document, we can see there are lots of templates available. Let's take this template. So it's a set of instructions or steps which need to be performed before reaching the final destination or product. Here we have header, the experience row, qualification, and skill sets. All this combined together makes template of a resume. Let's jump into code and check how we can implement temp design pattern in Java. We will create a buyer class who is interested in computers like laptop or server. We will come to this buyer class later. We will have a computer template class who will be providing us a basic template to follow a order to form a computer. We will make it abstract so that our implementation class override the abstract method. We will use build computer method to process the building mechanism. Build computer is of type final so that subclasses cannot override it. Next, we will have set of steps to be followed, like collect components like RAM, fan, GPU, CPU, USB, etc. Then assemble all these components. Install OS. Start computer. And then we will print just computer is on. We will define the basic common functionality in this class itself, like collect component, computer with 4 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, 4 GB graphics card, and 4 USB port. And start computer method. System is booting or computer is powering up. An abstract method install OS to be implemented by subclass and another abstract method assemble components. Next, we will have laptop class which will extend computer template. We need to override the abstract methods install OS and assemble components. For laptop, we will install Windows. And assemble the components with extra 4 HDMI port. Similarly, we'll have server class and extend computer template. Override the abstract methods. We will install Ubuntu or any Linux flavor in our server. And assemble the computer with 0 HDMI port but 1 VGA port. 0 HDMI port because we don't use server to play high definition games or videos. When the buyers order a laptop, we will construct a new laptop and build computer. Let's run the program. So the computer with 4 GB RAM is printed, which is the first step, followed by assemble components, which is from implementation class, that is laptop class, joining all units with 4 HDMI port. Then installing OS specific for laptop. Fourth step, system is booting up or computer is powering up, and then our computer is on. Similarly, we can create server and build the server. We can see that all the details are same except assemble components and install OS, which is Ubuntu or Linux. This is how template design pattern works, where we need to follow set of instructions. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit like button, stay tuned and subscribe to CodeSpace for upcoming tutorials. For any doubts, comment below.